What's up, guys? It's your boy B Washington. Actually, you know what? I said I'm changing it, so we're gonna change it right now. You ready? What's up, creators? It's your boy, and as you guys already saw in the thumbnail and in the title of the video, that's right, today we are checking out some Red cameras.
You only changed one word. I mean, you gotta do a little better than that.
Why you gotta say stuff? Alright, so I know it's Monday, and normally I drop a Motivational Monday, but I still think this video is going to be motivational because today we're going to be going and checking out some really awesome cameras. Now, the biggest thing that I want you guys to get across in this video is that even if you are a professional or you're an aspiring professional, you should always be trying to learn more. And trying to increase your knowledge base is by far the best thing you can do. Keep investing in yourself. So that's what we're doing right now. We're on our way to this special Red class where we're going to be learning all about Reds. Now, as you guys already know, I do have some experience with Red cameras, but you can never know too much. So let's get it. Just wrapped up that Red workshop, and I have to say that Red workshop was actually really good. Learned a little bit, honestly. I mean, a lot of the stuff that you can go to these workshops and learn, you probably can learn from just doing research, but the biggest thing and the thing you can't learn from doing research is how to meet and network with new people. You got to get out, you got to meet, you got to network. All right, so I have to say the workshop was great. I think that it was perfect, especially if you are new to filmmaking. They taught a lot about the Red systems, the different types of Red, some of the history. They took you through the pre-production, the production, and the post-production. And so if you've never experienced the Red, I think the workshop was great for that. And I think workshops in general are great for people who are new to filmmaking or new to a certain type of gear. So in your area, if you ever hear about like a Red or filmmaking workshop, you should definitely go. But even for someone like myself, who I've had experience with the Red, I don't currently own one, but I had experience and I feel pretty comfortable with the Reds, I still go to these events. And the reason why I do is because they are great networking opportunities. When it comes to events like this, you have to put yourself out there and you have to go out and actually experience these meetings, because you know, this thing costs, I think, like $20 or $25 to go to, and you may say like, oh, I don't have the extra $20 to $25 to invest in knowledge that I could, you know, Google and learn. But for the price, what you're doing is you're actually putting yourself in a room full of like-minded individuals who not only care about what you care about, but on top of that, you also are getting people who are willing to invest. Even if it's just $25, they're willing to invest in themselves. And those are the people who you really want to surround yourself in this business. There are tons of people who say they are videographers or who say they're filmmakers, but not many of them are actually willing to invest in themselves. And so those are the people that you want to surround yourself with. People who are willing to invest in themselves like you should be investing in yourself. So you should definitely go out to events like this. I want to say a huge shout out to Filmatic for having us at this event. You know, we had a great time. There was tons of Red cameras there for us to try out. We learned a whole bunch, and we got a chance to meet some really awesome people. So if you guys are ever in the Houston area, you guys should definitely check out Filmatic and see if they have any upcoming workshops. They say they're going to be doing a ton, and so if you guys are in the Houston area and you're interested in going to some Red workshops or just filmmaking workshops in general, leave some comments down below and I will let you guys know about when those are coming up. But also, one last little thing is, if you guys are interested in red cameras, let me know that too down in the comments, because I could definitely try to work out something with Filmatic and see if they're interested, and see if I can get them to, you know, bring maybe some of that knowledge over to this YouTube channel. But with all this being said, I think this is where I'm going to end this off. I know I'm not good at this whole vlogging thing. I'm still kind of new to it, and I don't know if you guys have realized I had to put the camera down because it is ridiculously heavy vlogging with the 1DX. I don't know how other people do it, but until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.